Welcome back to another episode of Vicky's Daily Stand-Up. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about how to get your clients if you are just starting to become a freelancer. So tip number one is you need to be loud about you being a freelancer. You're never gonna know who or where your clients are gonna be. It's really important for you to kind of like brand yourself and target yourself as loud as possible. So think about like going out to networking events and being just really front and loud to your friends, your family, your family's friends about how you are now a freelancer and what you are good at, because a lot of the freelancers, when they first starting out, they usually getting clients from either through their friends' friends or the family's friends. Tip number two, you wanted to be able to meet up with the clients for consultations and really make sure that you guys are on the same page. You wanted to walk through some of the ideas that they want on their app or on their web app, and you wanted to go through different options and things you want to show them. You want to make sure that every single deliverables are clear and making sure that they are breaking into very small tasks. The least thing that you want is they going back to you and be like, hey, I want this website to look more fierce and this isn't fair. This doesn't look like fear. Or give me a button just screaming fierce. Those aren't the things that in particularly telling you exactly how they want the websites to look like or how they want the end products to look like. So you wanted to make sure that you guys are sitting down either on a remote call or going through some sort of examples together, so both of you can be agreed on what kind of products that you guys are looking for together. Tip number three is after you started your projects, you wanted to be able to show your clients every step on the way. You wanted to give them a checkup and tell them, hey, this is what I built so far. Here are some of the challenges that I faced and how I fixed those problems or issues. And you wanted to give them a sense of progress. So the idea is you wanted to give them a sense of like you're in progress and you guys are on track. Also, as many communications as possible throughout the process of development can help you to better understand what your client wants exactly. So a lot of times they might change their mind, they might think of something that isn't what they initially thought about. So you wanted to make sure that everyone's on the same page, and those are the quick tips that would help you to bring everyone kind of together. If you have more ideas to share how you get more clients as a freelancer, or you would like to share your opinions on things, please leave comments down below. I would love to hear all of your comments and your thoughts about freelancing and tips and tricks and stuff like that. So I hope this video is helpful. Share this with someone else if you love it. If you're not, it's okay. I'm gonna keep on posting, no biggies. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.